Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up camera brightness manually on your Google Pixel 7a. So all you have to do is just to click on the screen and then move to this right side and adjust brightness by moving this icon up and down. If you want to restore the default settings, just click on this arrow. And as you can see, that's very simple. If there is no this slider in your phone, I can recommend you to click on the left bottom corner, then go to the more settings, and right here you will be able to find this slider. This option with the exposure, so you will be able to adjust the brightness and the shadows. So when you enable this feature, you will definitely get this adjustment on the right side. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.